This is the application called routines. We're going to go to its main program. Here is the main program of routines. We're going to put this first instruction in update mode, and we're going to search through this program to find all uses of the name L. So we're going to click on here to highlight this box that contains the L. Then we're going to come over here and say find, and we're going to say we're going to replace L with K. Now it shows us all the instructions in the main program that contain the name L. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can look down here at the bottom and say used by program. Well, it says the main program uses it 7 times. Subprogram 1 doesn't use it, subprogram 2 doesn't use it, subprogram 3 uses it 4 times, subprogram 5 uses it 2 times. So it tells us all the uses of the name L. We said that L could be changed to being K. Here it says, click the line to switch it between L and K. Maybe the reason we wanted to find the L's was because we'd want to change it to K instead. If we click on this line, notice the L changed to a K. And this is actually this first line that we're looking at. And notice it changed it to a K. We're going to change it back. Well, the next one is at line 174. Now, we can get there quickly because there is a little red mark on this position pole at every place that it used an L. This is the position pole. If we click down here where there's a whole bunch of them, yes, we'll see here's 4, 5, 6. Well, we saw the one at the top. Here's the other 6 uses of the name L. 4 here and 2 down here. Now, there we notice that on the position pole, there are these red lines saying where the uses of L are in the main program. Now we're going to go back to the top. We could start to go down and find all the lines that are marked in blue. Oh, and by the way, this yellow one is marked with blue. There's blue at this end and blue also at this end. So it is marked in blue, but it's marked in yellow too. We could start going down the pole here, the position pole, by arrowing down. Notice the white box moves down because it's telling us where the current position of this data is. So we can keep going down, down, down. Look how far we have to go to find the blue ones. That's why it's handy to see the red marks, because we can just click here and right away we get to the blue ones. If we want to move up, we can move up this way. If we want to move up slower, we click the inside of the arrow, and it only moves a few lines. Same with the down arrow. Click just on the tip of it there, and it moves slowly. Here, it moves faster. Now, we're not really going to do anything up here, so we're just going to quit. Move to the top by clicking on the top of the position pole, and we're also going to get rid of those blue lines by clicking here and just saying find, and then we'll say quit to get that back out of there. Well, on this line we also have a label. Labels are very important. You might want to know, well, where is the label AG that it says it's going to go to? Well, we'll put it in update mode. We'll click on the AG. It shows us then all the labels that could be allowed in a program. And it shows the two that are being used. AF is being used, it's in red. AG is being used, it's in blue, because it's the one that's actually used in the instruction we're on. So it's blue. Now if we wanted to see all of them, we could just say find AG. Now we see it's only used in 2 lines. Here is the branch if not equal to AG, and here's the actual line AG. Well, it says it's at line 189. The total number of lines in this program is 202. That's what it says right here. So we could keep going down this pole using these arrows, but we see the red marker right down here, so we click it, and they are at the line that uses AG. Now we're going to quit, go back to the top. This time we're going to go back here. We're going to click on the AG. This time we're going to change it to AH. Well, we'll do our find first, and then we'll say AH. Puts the 2 lines so that we now can make changes. Now if I click this one and change it to AH, and you notice it changed right away, this program is going to be rejected because this guy says go to AH, and there is no line with a label AH. The one it used to go to was AG, so we must also change that one to AH. So I changed it to AH. Now it changes right away, so if we go down here and see it again, you'll see it has the label AH now. We go back to the top, and we'll say quit. Now there's no message up here that says there's something wrong about labels. While programming, get information from the glossary by clicking Info. Thank you for watching.